Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Make Students Corporate Ready. I am Charlie, corporate employee. We are here with a mission to help students and graduates make successful career in the corporate world. In today's video, we are going to talk about something every job seeker and fresher needs to understand. That is difference between CTC, cost to company, and enhanced salary. If you have just received your first job offer or are getting ready for the placement, you might be confused by the numbers that the company shows you in their offer. What is CTC and why your enhanced salary is lower than that? By the end of this video, you'll have the clear understanding कि किस तरीके से company salary को calculate करती है and what you actually expect to take home each month. So what exactly CTC is? CTC or cost to company is the total amount a company spends on an employee in a year. It's not just his salary, it's the package which includes various components like allowances, benefits, and bonuses. This means that while CTC might sound like a big number on your offer letter, but it does not reflect the exact amount you'll get in your bank account every month. So here's what typically makes up your CTC. Basic salary, the fixed part of the salary that is guaranteed. Allowances. These can include house rent allowance, HRA, travel allowance, medical allowance, and more. Bonuses or incentives. Payments that depends on your performance are typically paid quarterly, half yearly, or annually. Provident Fund PF. This is a retirement savings scheme where both you and the company contribute to the part of your salary. Gratuity. This is the amount paid by the company as an appreciation when you leave after working for a certain number of years. So remember, CTC includes all of this, but it doesn't represent the actual monthly salary you'll receive. So now let's talk about enhanced salary. This is the actual amount that you'll receive in your bank account after all the deductions that have been made from your CTC. It's your take-home pay and it's usually lower than your CTC because of the following reasons. The first one is taxes. Income tax and professional tax आपकी salary से deducted. The second one is provident fund (PF). A portion of your salary goes towards your provident fund savings. The third one is insurance premium. So if your company provides health insurance, तो जो उसका premium होगा वो आपकी salary से deduct होता है. So the last one is other deductions. These can include contributions to ESI, employee state insurance, and any other additional benefits provided by the company. So while your CTC may seem like a big number, but your enhanced salary is the actual amount you take home after these deductions. For example, this is the HCL Tech CTC structure for 13 NPA. The basic salary typically forms 40 to 50% of the CTC. Let's break this down. So the basic salary would be 27,083. House rent allowance would be 13,542. Compensatory allowance would be 44,240. Food wallet 2,000 and other allowances like medical and travel. So once you add all these together, you'll get your total monthly salary that would be around 96,448 before the deductions like provident fund and tax. After all these deductions, the net enhanced salary that you'll take home would be approximately 86,767. I have also made the video that explains the process step by step using the 13 LCA example to show you how CTC gets translated into the enhanced salary step. So make sure to check it out if you want a deeper dive into numbers. So there you have it, a clear understanding of the difference between CTC and enhanced salary. As freshers or new graduates, it's easy to get impressed by the high CTC number. But what truly matters is the in-hand amount that we receive each month. Always ask for the detailed breakdown and understand the deductions before making any decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more insights on navigating the corporate world. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. See you in the next video.